Hi guys, here's a quick review on this 1997/1998 early the Robin plush. Without further ado, let's get into review. There's the eyes, there's the red belly. Whoa, look at how pumped that is. Boom, boom. That's so funny. There's the hang tag, the back of the hang tag. Here's the tush tag. Early. Copyright 1998 Thai ink. PE pellets. Handmade in China. And there's the feet, the beak, and the material of this is from a Beanie Baby cat that I will be reviewing pretty soon from 1997. That one's name is Pounce. That's the one right there. Yeah, the material of this is made by the same material as Pounce the cat. So that video will be up pretty soon. And there's the white wings in the bottom. There's a little tail feather. There's the bottom, just like the same as the feet. Well, the wings and the bottom of the tail feather. Here it is this side. The front. Yo. That side. The top. And then the bottom. And the feetsies. Feet. So funny about that little red belly on it. It looks so big and so fluffy and stuff. So funny. Anyways, it's Beanie, and that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 1997/1998 early the Robin plush. Alright guys, bye.